Hi, my name is Maggie Heck, and I am a business and marketing educator at Stoughton Area High School. I am sharing a law assessment that I use in my class here. In this case, they receive a crime. I kind of hand out note cards that have a specific crime. It can be against people or against property. They need to find a news article and then find a page in our textbook where they familiarize themselves with the crime and then write an essay about the crime. So then they follow these different expectations on our rubric where they define the crime, they give an explanation, share a result, then they have proper grammar and spelling, they structure the essay in the appropriate manner, and then the detail that's given. So it allows students to have some freedom and exploration of cases, but also gives them some stricter guidelines.